Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris and today I'm super hyped because we are dealing with first they're sour, then they're sweet. The Sour Patch Kids, guys, of course. I had to get this because, I mean, the packaging alone. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, so really hyped about this. And I did get the setting mist and I did also get these sponges. Now, I'm not going to test this out. They're sponges. I've had Morphe sponges before. Honestly, it's a sponge. It's gonna do the job. I just wanted this because it was colorful and it was cute, so I'm not gonna test this out today. I will test this out. I mean, there's setting spray. I'll do it right now. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I mean, I've had their setting sprays before, so it's not like a big deal for me. I'm going to spray from a distance. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like watermelon. It's so good. Sorry, I had to spray a little more. It smells so good. So yeah, that's their setting spray. Oh, that smells so delicious. It kind of reminds me of this lollipop that, I mean, it was back in the day that was shaped like a watermelon. It smells just like that. If I could get a picture of it, I'll pop it up. But it was definitely like a go-to lollipop. It smells just like it. So anyways, back to the main attraction, which is the palettes. This, by the way, costs $22 and this is what it comes in. A nice big case. Looks like this. Hold on. Nice, pretty. This is the back. It does contain all of the information. So as usual, I'll put in all the details right here and you can take your time to pause the video and read that if you like. The palette itself looks like this. These are raised so you can feel it. It's a nice, good feel. The back looks like this. So cute. I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with the packaging. When you open the palette, it looks like this. There is no mirror, which is fine by me. Most of the time I was doing makeup at home, but if you are on the go, just keep that in mind. And you can see the colors right here. Now, I don't know if this folds all the way back. I feel like I'm pushing it, so I'm not going to push it all the way back. But here is the color story. What do you guys think? First thoughts, let me know down below. So let me show you guys the swatches. We have 1 to 2 times for these shadows, and honestly, you guys, I was pretty impressed by these swatches. The only one that I was like, ew, when I first swatched it was the black, which is called All Gone. I did not test that out because honestly, I did this video a little backwards. Usually I swatch things and then I go into the eye look. Like I like to play with the colors and things like that after I swatch it. But I was too hyped with this palette, so I kind of went straight into the eye look because I was just like, oh my god, it's, it's Sour Patch Kids. But yeah, the black looked kind of sketchy. I ain't gonna lie. So I might go back into this palette, at least, if it's not on YouTube, I might do it on my Instagram and maybe I'll update you guys on YouTube on the community page. But I do want to test out that All Gone because the way it swatches is not so great. I will show you guys that in just a little bit when I show the live swatches. But in terms of formula, you guys, I do enjoy this palette. I didn't feel like anything was wrong, honestly. It's pigmented. The shadows blend very nicely with each other. And yeah, I went in a little at a time. I have nothing really negative to say. I do have one thing, kind of like a note, not something really negative, was that when I swatched the shimmers down here, I wasn't super impressed with the finger swatch. I was just like, okay, like it was all right. But when I went in with the brush, it actually showed up really nice. I mean, you can see. I was really impressed by that. So it took me by surprise. The mattes, love them. Shimmers are great. I will go back for that black because I'm still sketchy about that. I feel some type of way. But I mean, so far, so good. I like how my camera just died as I was talking, you guys, which is really rude. I almost lost my mind. I kid you not. Anyways, let me show you guys some live swatches right now. I want to take All Gone because that one is, of course, one that I was talking about the most. And let's take, you know what, White Pineapple. I don't use that one. And Lime Burst. Okay. Let me show you guys right here. That's 1, 2. Oh, Lime Burst kind of fell down a little bit. And 3. I'm going to go in a second time with Lime Burst. And there we go. Get a little closer. You guys can see that black. Do you see what I mean? It doesn't look horrible, but it's not the best black swatch I've ever seen. If I was keeping it real, not just being real with you guys. Again, it's just it looks a little sketchy. A little sketchy. But again, it may not look great in a swatch and then it looks great in the eyes. So I try not to judge a swatch that much. But sometimes when these look really shaky in a swatch, you're like, most likely it's gonna end up looking shaky on the eye. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and just dive right into this eye demo so you guys can see these colors come to life. Okay guys, so today we're working with two brushes. We are working with the Alter Ego number 11 brush, which is the smudger brush, and we are working with number 8 brush, which is just a flat kind of packing brush, kind of like for concealer and stuff like that. And of course, as a primer, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Makeup Concealer. First shade I'm gonna go into is Red Berry. I'm gonna go in a little at a time. As usual, just gonna build this up, and I'm putting this in the beginning of my lid. I'm going above my crease to make my crease just a little higher. But I'm taking very little at a time. And as you can see, I mean, she's gorgeous. Like I mentioned earlier, this palette is beautiful. Look at that. And I'm taking a tiny bit at a time because I don't want any fallout on my face. I go in the palette and I just press a little, and then I go back to my eye. Again, I don't want to get crazy. Okay, y'all already know the struggle. I always try to match and I don't always get it right. I'm not gonna take it all the way out into the wing. I actually switch colors right around here, I think, yes. Same brush, I'm gonna go in with Pink Strawberry. I'm gonna continue that line. Just out and up, I believe. Just out and up. Pink Strawberry is very pretty. She's very pigmented. I'm gonna put it just a little above, not above, but on top of the red, so that they can blend together. I'm gonna be using this brush for a while, so I don't have to say same brush. But we're gonna go now into, what did I do next? Orange, which is the Orange Craze. Here. Ooh, try not to take a lot. Where are you? Right here. I'm gonna go above and on top of the red. Let's see, I put too much right there. I like to just go a little at a time. I feel like I'm rushing this and I don't need to rush this. Like I just need to take my time. And I'm just kind of blending as I go, by the way. Now I'm dipping into Watermelon Whoa. Whoa. Where are you? Right there. I'm putting her above the, what was that called? Pink Strawberry. The darker pink, basically. I'm attaching it to the orange. That's so pretty. Next, we're going to go in with Lemon Squeeze. Here. I'm going to put this above the orange. A little bit. There we go. I do feel like Lemon Squeeze would show up way better on a more, I don't know, like a whiter base and things like that. Like if I got a much lighter concealer and I put that on. And yes, I'm really bringing it up to the brow today. I'm just gonna kick it all the way back here. Couldn't even remember what I did, guys. Couldn't even remember. I'm going to go to the flat brush and I'm going to start off with, I believe it was Pucker Up. Yes. So this one right here. This is so pretty, you guys. I was actually kind of shocked because, as I mentioned earlier, the swatches were, it was okay. It wasn't like, wow. But this, I mean, it's pretty. It builds up very nicely. I mean, look. I can't. It's so nice. And I am, by the way, using a dry brush. Not wet, nothing on it. So that's why I'm like super impressed. Because it's gorgeous. It really is really pretty. This very well might be my favorite Morphe palette. Next I'm going to go in with Super Sassy. Which honestly is my personal like favorite shadow in this entire palette. Because it's just so pretty. Oh, can you see that? Wait. There it goes. I did that too quick. It's gonna go right here. This one's also really pretty. And it builds up nice. Let me show you. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You probably see it when I move my eye, but... And of course, that is my inner corner eye as well. Like, I mean, she's cute. She's really pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with Major Mood. And, where are you? Wait, oh, it's this side. I'm going to put it back here. Because honestly, that's the darkest shimmer. And it looks really pretty back here, too. Look at this. I'm going to try to fix what I did here. Maybe if I go up a little bit. Fix the angle of what I did. I don't know what I did there. Ooh, I think I made it angry. I ruined it, guys. Ruined it. That's not horrible. That's not horrible. It's not like this. But I mean, it's not horrible. It's a little better. I think I fixed it somewhat. A little bit. Back to the 11 smudger brush. I'm going to go to Gimme Grape. I'm just going to run it from the back of my lower lash line, connecting it to that last shimmer we just put. And I'm bring it all underneath. So I'm running this all across. And yes, I am going in, of course, a little at a time. So I don't want crazy fallout. I mean, I already have some fallout, and that's from the shimmer. It's not even from the mattes. Next, just a little bit from Watermelon. What is it? Whoa. I don't know why I like that name so much. I'm just going to run it underneath. Just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the flat brush to Super Sassy. A little bit. And I'm just going to bring her down here. Just a tiny bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. And there it is, guys. What do you guys think? As usual, let me know down below. Alright guys, well those are my final thoughts on the Sour Patch Kids palettes. Let me know everything that you think about this palette down below. Let me know if you got it. Let me know if you got anything from the collection, honestly, because there was a few things that they had there. I know they had lip glosses and stuff, but I didn't get any this time. I know, shocked, because I love lip glosses, but I didn't get any. And of course, you know, I did get these, but I didn't want to use it because it's pretty, and I don't know if I'm ever going to use it because I do like things that look pretty and then I don't touch it. It's a problem. I need to not do that. I'll use them. I'll use them eventually, I promise. And of course, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, the setting mist. This smells so good. This one I really like. I feel like if you like their setting spray, you should pick this up. If you don't want the palette and the sponges or anything else, get the setting spray. It just smells so good. It smells like watermelon. I don't think you're going to be disappointed with that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And of course, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.